Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am putting together a very easy dinner tonight. I am going to be making some quesadillas. Thought I'd take you along. I'm using chili for the inside with some cheddar cheese, and there's some rice and beans that I'm going to be heating up. This is why I love having stuff in the freezer. I feel like eating something, but I just don't feel like making a big meal. So this is what we're having. And it's going to be pretty good too. So the beauty of leftovers is it gives you a chance to not only not waste food, it gives you a chance to be creative and trying to, I always say I reassign it. So I like to reassign things to become something different. So this chili was really, really good. Not spicy, but it was a real nice chili. And I knew that it would come in handy at some point. So I was thinking tonight I was just going to heat it up plain, and I was like, you know what? I think we're going to like this. Just plain old quesadillas. Throw some cheese on top. I don't have any sour cream, but I think that we're going to live. What do you think? You guys think we'll live without sour cream? I know I will. I don't know about anybody else, but I will. I will live without it. So yeah, this is going to be really cool. This is going to be a nice meal. And yeah, this is awesome. So I took the rice and beans and the chili out this morning to thaw. And there's a lot more in there than I thought I had left over. So as far as meals this week, everything went well with my little meal plan. And for that, I am grateful. I'm going to get a plate for this. Hang on. Now, it's early. It's only 4:30. No one's really going to eat dinner now, but I felt like doing something. So I figured, let me just make it now, and everybody can heat it up, or you know, or we could heat it up together, eat together, whatever. There's one, and I'm just gonna keep going. It's gonna be delicious. So yeah, don't ever underestimate what you can do with leftovers. It's really a great way to stretch your food budget, and it's just easy. It's like there's no prep. Like, look at what I'm doing. Like, anyone can do this, you know. So even if you usually cook, someone in the house usually doesn't do a lot of cooking, they can do something with the leftovers, you know. There's nothing wrong with that. It's all whole foods. I don't use anything from packages, or, I mean, I can't have my own cheese and milk. I mean, I don't have a cow, so, but everything that I cook is always whole foods. So I didn't do a whole lot today, but I got some great videos coming up for you guys. And I know that you're all going to like it. Oh, these quesadillas are going to be great. So, like, if you have chili in it, what do you call it? Is it still a quesadilla? I don't know. I usually don't make Mexican food, but I like it. I'm just not familiar with the different names for different things, like a taco, a quesadilla, a burrito. To me, they're all the same, but anyway. So yeah, this is going to be a great dinner. I don't have any more leftovers in my freezer, which I'm glad. I have a container of gravy for macaroni and meatballs. It's meat sauce with Italian sausage in it. I made it the other day. I had made way too much, but it was Sunday, so I wanted to make it just because it was Sunday. So I made that, and I have a lot of that left over. But what I think I'm going to do is do like a baked ziti. And there's enough there to make like 2, so I might pick up some foil pans, and I might make 2 of them. And one we can have on Sunday, and one we can have, in a couple weeks or whenever we want it. But I think we're all spaghettied out at this point. This is my 3rd quesadilla. Funny thing is, for how picky my mother was, one time my granddaughter talked her into having a quesadilla. And she was like, well, what is it? And we had just put cheese in it, just cheese and salsa. On Mom's, we didn't put the salsa because she didn't like it. Not that it was hot, but we just didn't do it. And she was asking me what it was, and I'm trying to explain it to her. Mom was blind. So I told her, I said, it's a Mexican grilled cheese. She goes, oh, okay. She liked it. 93 years old. She had her first quesadilla. That was interesting. I tried to make things interesting and fun for her. Now, I know that they have a quesadilla pan. I don't like a lot of gadgets in my kitchen. I kind of just use what I have. So I have utensils, I have pans, and I have my hands that the Lord gave me. So that's what I'm using. I'm going to heat up some rice and beans. I'm going to let you guys know what it looks like. Oh, by the way, the chili does not have beans in it. I purposely didn't do it like that this time. So there's beans in the beans and rice, but not the chili. In case you're wondering. So as soon as this is done, I'm going to heat up some rice and beans. I'm going to plate this and let you know what it looks like. It's going to be really good. So what do you guys what's your favorite leftover? To use as is or to reassign? Do you reassign it or do you just use it as is? I'd be interesting to know what other people do. So this is a Spanish rice mix that I made myself. And then I just threw some home canned black beans in it. About a year and a half ago, you wouldn't catch me dead eating a bean. So I've come a long way. This is just going to heat up for a second. It's going to be a nice little dinner. So the rice, I think, is best if we heat it up as we go. Because how many times can you heat it up? You can't. So heat as you eat. Just to be safe. Just want to see if this is hot enough. Almost. It's almost hot, so. And I am going to cut one of my little quesadillas here. Just to show you guys what it looks like. I mean, who knew? Like, out of leftovers, that you could have something this good. Oh, wow. This looks amazing. Okay. What a great little dinner this is going to turn out to be. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Look at, it's got the chili and the cheese in it. I'll tell you, sour cream really would be good with this. But, you know what? It's all about improvising. I'm fine. I'm okay. So, you know what? At 4:41, I am hungry, so I'm just going to go eat this for dinner. And then they can heat and eat when they're hungry. I have some more tortillas, so I'm going to take them out of the freezer. I'm going to make some more quesadillas. So I just want to show you guys this. All from leftovers. All right, guys, you have a great day. Let me know in the comments below how this looks. Does it look good or what? What is your favorite leftover? Do you use it as is, or do you reassign it? I love you guys so much, and I hope to catch you on the next video. So give me a thumbs up if you like this one, a comment below, and don't forget to hit subscribe.